Hey, English learners, welcome back to your favorite podcast with David and Alice. Hey, Alice, how are you today?
I'm good, David. A little tired, but good. How about you?
I'm doing well, but today I want to ask you something important.
Oh, really? What is it?
Do you ever feel like you waste a lot of time during the day?
Yes, sometimes I do. I say, I'll rest for 5 minutes, and then suddenly 1 hour is gone.
Exactly. That happens to so many people.
And that's why today's topic is very useful.
Yes, today we're going to talk about how not to waste your time.
And we'll do it in simple English so beginners can understand and learn easily.
So if you want to improve your English and learn something useful for real life,
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
all right, let's get started. Alice, let me ask you first. What does waste time mean?
In simple words, it means using your time for something that is not helpful, not important, and not useful.
That's right. It means you spend time, but you get nothing good from it.
Yes, for example, you want to study English for 10 minutes.
But instead, you watch random videos on your phone for 1 hour.
Exactly. That is wasting time.
Let's make it even easier. Time is like water.
Water?
Yes, imagine you have a bottle of water.
Okay.
If you pour the water on the floor, you can't drink it later.
Ah, I get it. So when you waste time, it's like pouring your water on the floor.
Exactly.
And later, you may feel bad and say, why did I do that?
Yes, that feeling is very common. Let me tell you a short story.
Okay, I'm listening.
One day, I was working on my computer. I felt tired, so I said, I will take a short break.
That sounds normal.
Yes, so I sat on the sofa and opened my phone.
Uh-oh, I know where this is going.
I watched one funny video.
Then another one.
Yes, then another one.
Classic.
I said, just one more.
That sentence is dangerous.
Very dangerous. Then I checked the time.
How long was it?
1 hour and 15 minutes.
Wow, that is not a short break.
Not at all.
And how did you feel after that?
Honestly, I felt tired, a little guilty, and not happy.
Yes, because deep inside, you know you wasted time.
Exactly. So now let's talk about how to stop wasting time.
Great. What is the first tip?
Tip number 1, make a tiny plan.
Tiny, not big.
Yes, tiny.
Why tiny?
Because big plans can feel difficult and scary.
That's true. If I say, today I will study English for 2 hours.
I may not even start.
Exactly.
But if you say, today I will learn 3 new words,
That feels easy.
yes. Or today I will listen to 10 minutes of English.
That sounds simple and clear.
A tiny plan is like putting an address in your GPS.
That's a nice example.
If your GPS has no address, you just drive around with no direction.
But if you put one clear address, you know where to go.
Exactly. Your day is the same.
Okay, what is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is use small times in your day.
What do you mean?
I mean those little moments, 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there.
Like waiting for the bus?
Yes, or waiting in a line.
Or sitting in a taxi?
Exactly.
Most people use that time to scroll on their phones.
Yes, but you can use that time in a better way.
For example, what?
You can review 3 English words.
Nice.
You can listen to a short English podcast.
Also nice.
You can read a few lines from a simple English story.
So even small minutes can help.
Absolutely. Small minutes become big progress.
What's the third tip?
Tip number 3, make English fun.
That is very important.
Yes, if English feels like punishment, you won't want to do it.
True, but if English feels fun, you will come back again and again.
Exactly. So connect English to things you already like.
For example, if you like music,
Listen to English songs.
if you like stories,
Read simple English stories.
If you like movies or shows,
Watch them in English with subtitles.
that's a smart way to learn.
Yes, learning does not always need to feel hard. Now, let's talk about something dangerous.
The phone
Yes, the phone.
and social media.
Exactly. These can be time thieves.
Time thieves.
Yes, a time thief is something that steals your time.
That's a very good phrase.
For many people, notifications are time thieves.
Or endless scrolling.
Yes, you open your phone for one message.
And 20 minutes disappear.
Exactly.
So what can people do?
Make small rules.
Like what?
Put your phone in another room when you study.
Good idea.
Turn off notifications for 1 hour.
Also good.
And say, first I finish my English practice, then I check my phone.
That's a powerful habit. But David, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Does don't waste your time mean we must work all the time?
No, not at all.
Really?
Yes, rest is important.
So resting is not wasting time.
Exactly. Rest is not wasting time.
That's good to hear.
Think of your body and mind like a phone battery.
Ah, that's easy to understand.
If you never charge your phone, what happens?
It dies.
Right. People are the same.
So sleep, rest, and quiet time are like charging your battery.
Exactly.
So balance is important.
Yes, study, work, fun, and rest. All of them matter. Before we finish, let's review some important words from today.
Great idea.
First, waste time.
That means using time in a bad or useless way.
Second, tiny plan.
A very small and clear plan.
Third, time thief.
Something that steals your time, like endless scrolling.
Fourth, balance.
A healthy mix of work, study, fun, and rest.
And fifth, progress.
That means getting better little by little.
So now, here is your challenge.
Don't just watch this lesson and forget it.
Choose one tiny English goal for today.
Maybe learn 3 new words.
Or listen to 10 minutes of English.
Or write 1 sentence in English.
And in the comments, tell us this.
What is one thing that wastes your time?
And what small change will you make today?
We'd love to read your answers.
And if you want more easy English lessons for daily life,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend.
thanks for spending this time with us.
You didn't waste it. You used it to improve your English.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care and keep practicing your English.